Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify something went wrong. Please try again later problem. So if you are facing this problem, there are a few fixes that you can try out. But before we get into the fixes, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos similar to this. Now to get started, you can try out by updating your Spotify app. Head over to Play Store, then check if there are any new updates of Spotify. As you can see, there is a new update on Spotify. Make sure that your Spotify is up to date. After that's been updated and your problem still hasn't been solved, you can try out another thing, that is tap and hold on your Spotify app, then click on app info. From here you can offload the Spotify app. Offloading the app means that to clear the data and cache that is stored on your device, click on clear data and clear the cache. After you clear the data of the Spotify, you will again need to log into your Spotify account because it also removes the email address and the password saved on your device. So those were the few fixes that you can try out to solve the problem that you're facing with Spotify. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.